Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by acting fast and smart. Inspect the care label and press the paint to see if it flakes. If the paint is brittle, gently scrape with a blunt knife to remove loose bits. This prevents embedding. Once done, test a hidden seam with rubbing alcohol for water-based paint or acetone for oil-based, because compatibility matters. Make sure to work on a protected surface and wear gloves. This step sets you up to avoid fabric damage and choose the correct solvent. You now loosen the dried paint by applying solvent sparingly. Rubbing alcohol for latex, acetone for oil-based. Apply to the back of the stain so the paint moves forward. Once the paint softens, blot with a cloth. Do not rub because that spreads the stain. Use a soft brush with a half teaspoon of liquid detergent in warm water to work the fibers from edge to center, and keep checking the fabric. You want to lift pigment without tearing or thinning the weave. Finish by rinsing the treated area under running water until suds run clear, then launder according to the care label. Make sure you air dry the garment because high heat can permanently set leftover paint. If any pigment remains after drying, repeat the solvent test and treatment because working again increases chance of removal. If the fabric weakens or the stain resists, stop and consult a dry cleaner. Forcing more chemical action can make the damage permanent, so consider professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.